important aspect to be understood while undertaking any particular business is this aspect of be the flame, not the moth. Be the flower, not the butterfly. So basically, we have to have value in such enormous proportion and quantity that consumers, customers, vendors, stakeholders, they come to us to derive value from us and not the other way around. If we are not focusing on being the flame, then we cannot compound success. Now, what do I mean by that? Let us say we locate ourselves globally or temporally, spatially at one location and let people who want to derive value from us, let them come and derive value from us. Then in that case, we can focus on compounding our own knowledge, our own value, our own business proposition, rather than we going ahead and trying to market to the world what we can do for them. We can perhaps only suggest that this is something that I can do, this is something as a business we can do. If you are going to like it, then in that case maybe let's take you on board and let's see what we can do together. So this is the value proposition that a business expounds or tells to the world. Now, I personally am of the opinion that if advertisement is required, then it is to be used only initially and in minimum to minimum quantity. Businesses that rely on continuous heavy marketing and advertisement are necessarily doing something wrong or doing something very equivalent compared to the rest of the market. That's the exact reason why, in the face of the randomness that occurs and in the face of the vicissitudes of life, the business has to undertake advertising campaigns and marketing campaigns. Advertisement ideally should not be required. Ideally speaking, the advertisement that is required should be exactly zero. The product and the service should have so much value that customers and consumers, in order to develop their own social capital, convey to other customers and consumers about the product and service, and other customers and consumers will come to us and will be able to take and derive value from the flame, the flower, the business that we have developed. So the concept of being the flame, not the moth, is very, very important over here, as it is in many aspects of life, but particularly so in this particular aspect.